Pfizer won the bidding war. The largest U.S. drug maker is buying Medivation, beating out a handful of its rivals who had also shown interest in acquiring the biotech. Sanofi made an overture for Medivation back in April. Since then, other suitors reportedly followed, including AstraZeneca, Celgene, and Gilead Sciences. But it was Pfizer's $14 billion offer that won out, sending shares of Medivation up almost 20%. Shares of Pfizer fell slightly. Meg Terrell tells us why Medivation was so sought after.
A $14 billion deal, and investors hope the biotech blues may be over. Pfizer beat out rivals, including French drug maker Sanofi, to win Medivation in an all-cash deal that capped a months-long process. With it, Pfizer gains the prostate cancer drug Xtandi, which draws more than $2 billion in annual revenue, proceeds that are split with Medivation's partner, Astellas. Pfizer also gains 2 experimental drugs for cancer, building up a growing focus of the company. The market for cancer drugs is large and growing fast. Global spending on cancer medicines reached $107 billion last year and is expected to top $150 billion by 2020. Pfizer and other drug makers have made it a priority, which has put biotechnology companies focused on cancer in the crosshairs for acquisitions. Investor Les Funtleiter, whose E² Asset Management owns Pfizer shares, says the drug giant should do more deals like this one to gain an even bigger presence in important areas, including immunotherapy, harnessing the immune system to fight cancer. Biotechnology investors rejoiced at the Medivation deal as well as the premium paid. It was 20% more than Medivation's closing share price Friday, but almost $5 billion more than Sanofi originally offered in April. Speculation more consolidation would follow drove shares up across the biotechnology sector. Analysts cited Incyte, which focuses on cancer drugs, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, which works on cystic fibrosis medicines, and BioMarin, which is developing drugs for rare diseases, as potential targets. The year for biotechnology stocks has been rocky, with an increased focus on drug prices during the U.S. election. But investors like Funtleiter say they see little the government can do to tamp down on rising cancer drug prices, making a $14 billion bet like this one less risky. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.